Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We about to get straight into it. So a lot of you guys want to know how to create this 3D logo. You can pretty much create a 3D logo with any PNG image. So first you want to go to After Effects, create a new project. Preferably aspect ratio 1920 by 1080. Preferably, that's the standard HD resolution. You can make the duration 8 seconds. Composition name, you can name it logo, whatever you want to name it. Click OK. It'll be a black screen, preferably. You do a black or white screen. Then you want to go ahead and select your file. Drop your file in the composition, drag it down into the render area. Depending on how big your file is, it might come out bigger than what's expected. Go down to the scale settings and scale that down to your liking. All right, have it centered nicely. You could preferably want to work in quarter resolution. That way the software is not moving too slow. So you want to go to position here, right click and separate dimensions. After separating dimensions, now you want to make sure it's in a 3D form by clicking the 3D area. Then over here to the Z position, you want to alt click and type in index in that area right there. Then go over here to the custom view number 1, preferably to get a nice perspective angle. Then you want to hit Control D to duplicate the image about 100 times. Preferably highlight and then highlight multiple layers and then hit Control D again to give you the best version as you please. You can go as thick as you want actually, so if you want to go thicker than this, just keep hitting duplicate. Then you want to pre-compose everything into one layer, therefore you don't have to work with all these layers. Name it whatever you please, make sure move all attributes is selected, click OK. And there you have it. Now you want to select the star area, make sure that box is clicked, then make sure it's 3D. Now go to defaults in the camera section, and then now you want to hit transform in the position area and go over there to the Y rotation axis and keyframe that to make it a 360 loop. Hit that stopwatch at 0, then go all the way down to your ending mark. And right where you see 0, click 1, and that'll give you a 360 turnaround. Therefore, if you do a video, it'll be a never-ending loop. Make sure you get the whole timeline, because sometimes the timeline doesn't show all the way. So here I am zooming out now, making sure that timestamp is all the way at the end. You know, like I said, very, very simple, very easy. Now you can test it out yourself, zoom in and out, play with it. You could also add certain effects, but we're not going to do that today. I'm just showing you the preferred way of making any PNG image 3D. And there you have it. Now you want to go ahead and render by add to render queue, but preferably you want to add to media encoder and render that way. Therefore, your file is not too large. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Like I said, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. If interested in more of these videos, please let me know. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment. Here I am showing you the encoder process. You want to hit that H.264 area. And if you want to render without a background, you want to hit QuickTime for the best setting and then go over here to GoPro, it has to say alpha. Alpha is what gives you that no background feel. And then, of course, hit maximum depth, and that's it. Hit that render button and you're good to go. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching once again. Yes, sir.